Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna find the largest number in an array. But before we get started, make sure to click on the subscription button below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new useful video for you. And also check the description below because I have a free ebook on how to make money online coding. So let's get started. First of all, suppose that we have here an array and we want to find the biggest number in this array. And obviously, the biggest number is 99, right? So the key here to find the greatest number is to make a guess, just guess or assume a number and then create a loop and start comparing each number in this array with your assumption. And whenever you find a number greater than your assumption, you are going to just change your assumption with that number. And you move on and repeat this process until you find the greatest number. So here, I'm going to create a variable called largest, and it's going to be our assumption. So I'm going to just assume that the greatest number is the first element of our array, which is 50. And then I'm going to create a loop for let I equals 0, and then I smaller than array dot length, and then I plus plus. So this is just a simple loop. And then what I need to do here is that I need, each time I iterate through this array, I need to compare each number with the largest, with our assumption. So here I'm going to create an if statement. If our largest, this is our assumption, is smaller than the array of I, which is each time we are gonna iterate, this array of I is gonna be changed, right? So the first time it's going to be 50. So in the first iteration, it's gonna compare 50, our assumption, with 50, right? Is 50 smaller than 50? That is not true. Then it's gonna move on to the next number, which is the second iteration. In the second iteration, though, the array of I is gonna be 60, right? So it's gonna compare 50 with 60. Is 50 smaller than 60? Is that true? That's true because 60 is greater than 50. Then it's gonna change the largest variable here. I'm gonna change the largest. I'm gonna say largest equals to array of I, right? So here in the second iteration, largest, which is our assumption, is going to be changed from 50 to 60. Then we are going to move on to the next iteration where we are going to compare 60, now the new value of our assumption, or the new value of the largest variable, and then we are going to compare it with the next value, which is 80. Is 60 smaller than 80? Is that true? That's true. Then we are going to change our largest variable with 80. Now, largest equals to 80. So in the next iteration, it's going to compare 80 with 12. Is 12 greater than 80? That is absolutely not true. So it's going to move on to the next iteration, which is 99. Now, is 99 greater than 80? Is that true? That's true. Then largest variable is going to be changed to 99. Then it's going to compare 99 with 7. Is 99 smaller than 7? That is not true. Then it's going to then we finish our iteration because we already looped through the complete array, and the final value for the largest will be 99. So finally, I'm gonna just here use the console.log, and I'm gonna print the largest value. Let's now save our program and see the result. As you can see, I get 99, which is true. So this is how you can find the greatest number in an array. And remember that you can use the math class to do so, but in interviews, they will ask you to create a complete algorithm so that they know how well you know about JavaScript and its algorithms. Therefore, you need to know how to create these stuff. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe, and I see you later.